What do you do for a living? Like, what do you do? You go to school?
I like to tie up goats on my house. I like to tie up goats and stuff.
You tie up goats? I'm a vegetarian.
What?
I'm a vegetarian. You tie goats?
You know, I usually come around here for remind myself of Jamaica.
For come? Okay.
Yeah, I usually come around here.
Yeah, I've been to that island, that country.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, man.
Which part of Jamaica?
Mile 9. 9 mile man. 9 miles. That's when I asked you where it was, like,
okay.
9 mile man.
So yeah.
And they slap it the bit.
So how many kids you have? You have any kids?
Six kids. Yeah, we were recently on More. Didn't you watch it? Yeah, it came out last Wednesday, like at 11 a.m. in the morning.
Noah?
Maury. Oh. He found out for me. Oh, 6. The big 6.
Oh God, that's a blessing. That's a blessing.
Evan, LaFonda, Jocelyn, Michael, Vincent, which is actually why I went out with you. When I was finding out the dads, Billy happened to be one of them.
Who?
Billy, how we met? Yeah.
Lord.
Silly. Yeah, he was one of the dads. If it wasn't for him, my boy has met me.
Oh, okay, that like a pussy one. You know what?
I'm looking for a 7th.
No, you know what? So
feisty.
Yeah, no,
that, I don't know if that looks like enough space. You know what? I'm gonna go check.
No, I don't think so.
I'm gonna go check if.
I want to kill that blood cab or something for that later.
David here.
I don't think they might give it to that blow out yet.
You remind me of my 7-year-old.
Okay.
So cute, fuzzy. His penis is a little large though.
You know what? Let's get back to that. Yeah. Yes. Soft hands. Yes. Soft. Yes.
Cute.
Yes.
So cute. I'm gonna call Billy right now and just think.
No. You know what? I'll call him later on.
That's Francisco right there.
That's Francisco.
That's Francisco right there. Hey, you owe me child support.
God. Oh. God. Oh. You know? Yeah, sometimes. Do you like it?
I love gangster.
You know,
I've heard this joint before. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch. I have some gold in my chain.
Oh, do you?
How do you guys dance to this? Asian. White women? It's me. You have chopstick?
Yeah, man.
Where? I love messy stuff. I love it. This texture is like semen texture.
Is it?
Yep.
Wow.
Do you use lotion? This lotion reminds me of some stuff.
Yes.
Do you like back massages?
No.
You like hand massages?
Bang.
You know, semen is really good for the skin. It's like, yeah, it's protein.
So you said you got 6 kids, right? So where's the father? Where's the father? You know, where's the father?
Well, we just saw Francisco. I have 2 in jail right now. No, I'm sorry, Guantanamo Bay. There's actually one in Jamaica. But they really couldn't find the father. But honestly, you look a lot like him. Do you like seafood?
No, when I eat fish on here, we're not like
Do you like vagina? Do you eat vagina?
Do what?
That's correlation.
No, we're not eating no fish on here. No, ain't no pum around here. It's in the Jamaican Bible. You know what?
So you like?
No, let's
like
just go back.
Like
No, you know what? I'm gonna drop it back home. No.
Love when you hold my hands.
No, let's go back. Come.
Where are we going?
Wine on, good on, girl, wine on, come up. Wine on, good on, girl, wine on, come up. Wine on, good on, girl, wine on, come up. Bring it up, girl, just don't stop. Wine on, good on, girl, wine on, come up. Wine on, good on, girl.